Greetings, it's Maxo Diddly, and today I am going to be showing you how you can change the playback speed of a video in Unity. So let's get right into it. So this is a follow-up to other Unity tutorials for playing a video. There's an eye up in the corner for the playlist. We are going to be using that code base, however, you don't need most of the code from the other tutorials. So let's get right into how we do it. So we're going to open our videoplayer script. Our videoplayer script is on our videoplayer object where we have a video player and have the videoplayer script attached. So we're going to double click on the videoplayer script to open it. So there's quite a few functions in here and a few variables. The only ones we really need for this tutorial is we need to have a video player variable. We need to get a reference to the video player at some point, which we do in our play video function, which plays on start. And that's it for all we need. But as you can see, we've got quite a bit of code to handle other things for playing the video. So at the bottom of our class, we're going to do public void toggle playback speed. So basically this function is going to change the playback speed of the video, and our intention is we're going to call this function whenever we click a button. Like how on your TV remote, when you click the fast forward button, it will change the fast forward speed each time you do it. We're going to kind of do that thing here. Inside, we're going to do if video player. And this just makes sure that this video player variable does have a reference to a video player. So if there's no video player, then we're not going to do anything. But if there is a video player, that's great, we can then change the playback speed. Then we're going to do if videoplayer.playbackSpeed is equal to 1, f, which is the default speed, videoplayer.playbackSpeed equals 2. So if the video playback speed is 1, we're going to set it to 2. Otherwise, we're going to set it to 1. So we're going to be toggling between the speed of 1 and 2. 1 is normal speed, 2 is double the regular speed. And since they're floating point numbers, you could make it 2.5 or 6.9 if you want to be funny. So let's save our work and head back into Unity. Then in our canvas, we're going to right click, we're going to go to UI, Legacy, Button. If you're in an older version of Unity, button will just appear as an option and won't be under the Legacy button. We're going to call it Toggle Speed. And we're going to make the button a little bit bigger. And inside, we're going to go to the text. We're going to change it to be the normal rec transform. And we're going to do toggle speed as the text. We're going to set the size to be 50. That fits just perfectly. We're then going to go back to the button. We're going to drag it about and move it to a corner above our play resume button. And we're going to change the color to be 100 alpha so we can still see the video underneath. And then inside our button, where it's got on click, we're going to click on the plus. We're going to drag our vidplayer object. Then for no function, we're going to go to vidplayer. Then we're going to click on toggle playback speed. And that's it, we've got a button to toggle our playback speed, and we wrote the code to do so. So we're going to save our work and hit play.
You turned into a big-time villain, Doctor. You turned into a big-time villain, Doctor. You turned into a big-time villain, Doctor.
So as you can see, we're able to toggle the playback speed of the video in real time. So, thanks for being a great audience, be sure to leave a like and a comment if you enjoyed, and subscribe for more Unity tutorials. Thanks for watching.